Hello, my name's Minwoo. Today, going to talk about the Gua Sha. Gua Sha is a Chinese medicine that's used in China been 3,000 years. In the old day, actually every family do this. Go back to the 100 years ago, they use a Chinese quarter. But right now, I find out this cup, more than the cup, this is called Gongfu tea cup. This is not a teacup. See that kind of fancy cup, too thick, not so soft. This one fancy cup too is not so soft, but I find this one. See, look, it's very good. And right now, just show you how to open up the lung channel. That's for treating the cough and flu, even COVID-19. See, you have cough and you have fever. That means our body have T cell. In Chinese, we call it Wei Qi. Wei Qi is your bodyguard. That means your security guy in your body. Wei means Bao Wei. Your security guy that protect you. That means in English, that's called the T cell, killing cell. Our body have all the tools, but you just have to wake up your body. That's the best way. The best way is let your qi do the work. You can put some cooking oil, but I like the same oil. There's a herbal oil here, SIANG. I love this oil, but if you don't have this oil, you can use coconut oil or olive oil. Put it on. Remember, you have a fever or cough, you need to clean it out. That's called excessive type. Right now, I just do some moxa to create energy flow, good energy, calm. When you do treatment, you have to calm. Just like pray, you have to get the qi going and relax. It's when you have fever, you might right away you see black and blue come out already. But this is the best part of medicine. See, the body heal itself. That means we go back to 1970 in China, in third world country, everyone have this kind of medicine beside the moxa and also the mudwood. That's called moxa, MOXA. It create the qi flow, and this is kind of went down the fever down right away. Even baby, the best treatment. See, I never use any antibiotic or any flu vaccine. This can be used for treatment or for prevention. But this is lung channel here. Lung channel, usually the energy from here going up this way. Now we do reverse direction from the hand to the elbow. but right away you feel better, feel so good, release. This is called the smart chi. Do whatever you need. Okay, hope you can try to practice and give me feedback next time. Have a good night.